How bacteria clean oil spills. Oil spills are a huge problem for our environment. They hurt the wildlife, ruin our beaches, make the water dangerous, and are downright yucky. But what if I told you that we had a natural way to clean up all these dirty messes? Tiny bacteria, so small that you can't even see them. But yet, they are helping us clean up these oil spills. And let's talk about how these amazing little guys clean up oil and help to keep our oceans clean. There are a few types of these bacteria that are great at eating the oil. Pseudomonas, Marinobacter, Oceanospiralis, Alkineo these bacteria are special in their own way. They are perfectly suited for their environment, and they work best when they're kept in conditions that are similar to their natural homes. Things like oxygen levels, water temperature, nutrients in the water, and even the type of soil that surrounds them can affect how fast that they can eat the oil. Oil spills are cleaned up much faster in the summertime when the water is nice and warm compared to the winter time. This is because the oil is much thinner and easier for the bacteria to attach and start to break down. Plus, the bacteria moves a lot slower in the colder water, which makes cleanup take a lot longer. Once these bacteria find the oil, they start to multiply like crazy. The more oil that they can eat, the more that they start to replicate. They use special enzymes, kind of like their own natural tools, to help break down the oil into harmless substances that we can use, like carbon dioxide and water. We've seen just how devastating these oil spills can be. The Exxon Valdez oil spill in Alaska in 1989 spilled over 11 million gallons of crude oil into the water. And the Deepwater Horizon spill in the Gulf of Mexico in 2010 released nearly 210 million gallons of oil into the water. These disasters caused massive damage to not only our wildlife, but to the ecosystems. Bioremediation played a big role in the cleanup efforts and helping to break down these oils naturally and to reduce the long-term harm. The process is called bioremediation. It's when scientists add oil-eating bacteria and some extra nutrients to an area with an oil spill to help speed up the natural cleaning process. This method is so much better than using harsh chemicals, and it's safer for the environment and the animals that live there. Bioremediation has changed society by giving us a natural yet very effective way to handle oil spills without adding more harmful chemicals into our water. Thanks to this method, we're able to protect our marine life and keep our oceans clean for our future generations. Bioremediation has been around since the 1960s. George M. Robinson, a petroleum engineer, came up with the idea after he noticed how some bacteria started to naturally break down oil and pollutants. He experimented with dry bacteria cultures and realized that they could be used for cleaning up big oil spills. Later, after the Exxon Valdez oil spill in 1989, bioremediation became more widely used with the help of the Environmental Protection Agency, the EPA. Bioremediation isn't just good for the environment, but it's affordable. Cleaning oil spills this way can cost anywhere from $30 to $100 per cubic meter. That's actually a lot cheaper than using chemical methods. Plus, the economic impact is huge by using natural bacteria instead of harsh chemicals. We save money on long-term environmental damage and cleanup, keeping our oceans clean and helping industries like fishing and tourism, which we depend on having a healthy marine ecosystem for that. Thanks to all the hard work of the scientists and the natural power of these bacteria, we found a better way to fight oil spills. These tiny organisms are doing a huge job by helping to keep our oceans and our beaches safe, as well as the animals that live and surround them. Nature is pretty amazing and what they can do for us.